Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost. Today we are taking a look at the TP-Link HS110 smart Wi-Fi plug with energy monitoring. And we will be reviewing the unboxing experience of this. First thing you will notice is that it's all wrapped in plastic, so you can't really get into it without using a knife, so that is why I have a knife to hopefully be able to cut some kind of opening into it, and we will see if that's sufficient. Seems like it is. And then you go ahead and remove the plastic, which is pretty straightforward once you've cut a hole in it. And the plastic you can hide like so. And once the plastic is removed, also is the shininess, but you can see there's some shine down here on the lower part, but here it is a non-shiny surface. So the 3-year warranty sticker is shiny though, so you could use it as a mirror if you like. Whoops, that was unintentional and unnecessary, but it can be good to know if you're gonna try to open this yourself. Am I missing something? There is... No, it doesn't seem like it. You just have to pry away at it until you get it open. I do prefer to keep my boxes intact most of the time, but as you can see, it got torn there, so that's unfortunate, but it's pretty straightforward to open regardless. And then I would assume you just rely on gravity to get this part out. So within the box we have, whoops, another box, whoops, there's 3 pieces of paper which I'll be taking a look at in a while. This is the empty box, not much to it, and the 3 stickers, papers that fell off. This is probably some contact information. This is a quick start guide, can be handy. This is welcome to Casa. It's the app that you have to use in order to, in order to use the actual plug. And here is the actual plug. It's pretty tiny for what it is. The most smart plugs that I have used are bigger, and I would assume that this here is the button you press to connect to your Wi-Fi network. And then yeah, this is the European version, so if you live in a different country with a different outlet, it would use a different plug. I wouldn't say European version, it's Swedish specifically, but there may be other things. There are other countries that use it as well, but this is Sweden, so for all I know it's the Swedish plug. So here is just some insert. You could use it as a drum or something. And then, well, that's pretty much it. Those plastic flaps here, they don't really do anything. I guess you can fold them up like this, and then you have an instrument, which is kind of This is fun. I like this. Yeah, that is pretty much it. So yeah, that would be I would say it's a 7 out of 10, because the plastic was unnecessarily difficult to remove. They could have used a sticker. Yes, Aurora agrees that they should definitely have used not a sticker, but like a pull tab, rather. Yeah, exactly, a pull tab, so that you don't have to use a knife to get the plastic off, because that's unnecessary. But yeah, the unboxing experience as a whole is 7. It wasn't difficult once you figured it out, and I'm sure that the setup is going to be pretty easy as well once that's figured out. So 7 out of 10, that's it for this video. I do make 8-bit music if you're into that sort of thing. I've put a link in the video description, check it out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.